The market is flooded with AI video tools. Every platform promises fast generation, beautiful visuals, and instant results. You paste a prompt, click a button, and get a video in minutes. But there's a big difference between a video that simply looks good and an ad that actually sells your product. If you've ever run paid campaigns, you know that visuals alone don't guarantee results. In advertising, performance is what actually matters. My name is Daniel, and today we are putting Creatify to the test, not just as another AI video generator, but as a platform built specifically for creating launch-ready ads. We'll compare it directly with popular alternatives and see whether it's truly designed for marketing or just for making polished-looking clips. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Mates, let's start with InVideo. On the screen we see a simple prompt field where we can type something like "create an ad for our energy drink." Once we move to the next step, the platform asks us to upload media files. That's already a positive sign because we are able to include our own product assets instead of relying purely on stock material. I confirm the setup, adjust the video settings to fit a short TikTok-style format, upload our product assets, and start the generation process. While that renders in the background, let's switch to HeyGen field. The interface here allows us to upload our own image right away, which gives us a bit more visual control from the start. I confirm the input, add a prompt, send it for generation, and wait for the result. Mates, now let's move to Creatify, because this is where the logic changes. As mentioned earlier, this isn't just another video editor, it's positioned as a complete ad creation system. Instead of searching for random stock clips or simply animating a product image, the workflow is built around your actual product. On the main dashboard, there are several presets available, and one of them, AI Video Ads, allows the platform to pull information directly from a website. We paste the product URL, and Creatify immediately analyzes it. Within seconds, it extracts the product name, description, and real product assets, including the actual images from the site. Friends, from there, it goes even further by suggesting potential target audiences based on the product itself. Instead of guessing who the ad is for, the system identifies likely buyer segments automatically, using the product data it just analyzed. This is where the philosophy becomes obvious. Other platforms generate videos. Creatify builds advertising around a specific product. It automatically generates a structured marketing script with attention hooks and a defined call to action. The entire video is organized around what is being sold, not around random visuals. After that, it offers avatar selection, where you can either use AI Smart Selection or choose manually. Folks, while those versions are rendering, let's briefly check Artlist. As mentioned earlier, it started as a stock content library and later added AI video generation. We upload our energy drink image, write a prompt describing a futuristic energy can, select a 6-second TikTok format, and generate the clip. The workflow here focuses more on visual output rather than structured marketing logic. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Next, we move to HeyGen. This service is clearly optimized for AI avatars, so we can write a script for a virtual presenter talking about our energy drink. However, when it comes to generating actual product-focused visuals of the can itself, that's not the platform's primary strength, since its main focus remains avatar-based content. Guys, ArcAds also doesn't allow full generation in this context, so just like Artlist, we'll skip deeper testing and move on to comparing the final outputs. Now let's review the results. First, we look at InVideo's output.
I was basically a zombie until I found this. Seriously, I couldn't even function past 2 p.m. Then I tried DYNDN energy drink, and everything changed. Clean energy that actually lasts. No crash, no jitters. Now I'm crushing deadlines, smashing workouts, and still have energy for my friends. DYNDN doesn't just wake you up, it levels you up. Get yours now and stop being a zombie.
Then we check HeyGen field. Here we used a yacht-style cinematic template and received a short 5-second clip, while InVideo delivered a longer 23-second version. Finally, we open Creatify, which has already rendered multiple variations. Each one can be previewed individually, and what immediately stands out is the structure.
I tested every energy drink on the market, and this is the only one that doesn't make me crash after 2 hours. Dan's natural caffeine formula gives me clean energy for my entire 6-hour training session.
These feel like complete ads with defined hooks, clear product messaging, and a direct call to action.
I tested every energy drink on the market, and this is the only one that doesn't make me crash after 2 hours. Dan's natural caffeine formula gives me clean energy for my entire 6-hour training session.
I tested every energy drink on the market, and this is the only one that doesn't make me crash after 2 hours. Dan's natural caffeine formula gives me clean energy for my entire 6-hour training session.
Mates, even after reviewing only a portion of the generated versions, it's clear that the platform doesn't just produce one idea, but multiple ad-ready variations built around the product, and that's the key difference. Creatify doesn't simply assemble clips, it builds complete advertising creatives, using your real product data, structured messaging, and a clear sales objective from the start. If the goal is performance-driven marketing, rather than just polished visuals, Creatify is clearly structured around that purpose. Guys, after testing these platforms side by side, the difference comes down to purpose. Most tools focus on polished visuals, but good visuals alone don't guarantee results. Creatify approaches things differently by building the video around your actual product and positioning, which matters when the goal is paid traffic and conversions. Other platforms can work well for simple visual content, but if you need structured, product-focused ads that are ready to launch, Creatify is clearly built for that. I personally use this tool and find it useful, but the decision to use it or not is always yours. Hopefully, this comparison helps you understand which platform fits your goals and whether Creatify makes sense for your advertising workflow. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.